The next thing that I want to do is to take this particular slice out of the pie. Now, if you click once inside the slice, you should see that's only around that particular slice. Now, if I do a right click, I could go to Format Data Point. Then under Series option, I could move the slider right here under Point Explosion, and I would like to make this 28 points, 28%. Now at that point, I can click Close, and now I see that this particular slice was pulled out. I could have done basically the same thing in an easier way. When you select a slice in your pie, if you click on it, so let me do it with this one right here. I'm going to click on this slice. If you click and drag it, you're going to be able to move that slice out. Okay, I'm going to undo, and I'm going to leave it at this point. Now what I would like to do is to change the color of the slice. So I'm going to do a right click on it. Okay, Format Data Point. I'm going to go to Fill. I'm going to pick Solid Fill. I'm going to look at the colors, and I'm going to pick blue from here. And then click Close. I'm going to go ahead and change the color of the other slices in here. So I'm going to click Add July so that I see the dots around it. Right click, Format Data Points. Okay, Fill. Okay, Solid, and then pick yellow. Close. Now I'm going to go ahead and change the color of the other ones in here. So I'm going to click Add September, right click, Format, okay, Fill, Solid, Color, and I'm going to pick green for this one. Let me do the next one. Okay, so click on it, right click. Now I could also take a shortcut in here. Instead of going through the Format Data Points, I could go directly here and say that I want the dark blue for this one. Then right click here, right click. Then I'm going to pick the red for that one. And then click on this one, right click. Okay, and pick the purple for that one. Okay. Now what I would like to do is to change the label, the color of this label right here. So I'm going to right click that label, then tap color, and I'm going to pick orange. I'm also going to change the order of the two worksheets in this workbook. I'm going to make the 3D pie chart to be shown after the data. So I'm going to click at the pie chart. I'm going to click here, and now I'm going to drag it over to here after 6-month financial protection. And now I just change the order of the two. Now let me click at the data sheet. Let me go to the beginning of my work, Control Home. Now what I would like to do is to check the spelling, but I want to check the spelling of only this worksheet right here. I want to do them all together. So in that case, what you do is, if you hold down the Control key and you click at the second tab right here that describes the second sheet in your workbook, we just selected both of them. So at this point, if I go to Ask for the spell checking, click Review, and then Spelling, then tells me that there's no spelling errors in here. It says that it checked for the selected sheets. So now click OK. So the spelling is fine in here.